Ring does everything.
Hey guys, Philip Ring, also known as Phil Does Hair here. I'm here with Frank, one of my great clients here in New York. It's such an amazing day out, and Frank has decided to be a model for me to show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly of hair replacement. He has had his hair system done with me two times. Tell us about your first one.
Well, I found you on Instagram on a random hair replacement post and reached out. And I was in your chair in about a week in the appointment. But my first one was a major learning curve, I'd say. You know, trying to learn how to deal with it, handle it, and maintain it.
You had long hair. So his first appointment, his hair was really short. So we did something really disconnected, and that was hard for you to...
It was tough, but I haven't combed hair in 15 years, so yeah. I was just trying to learn how to deal with hair again.
Yeah, and then, so why did you come back the second time to do another system?
Yeah, we tried something different the second time and went with a little bit of a shorter style since I grew the hair out a bit, so I could blend more. And so this is going to be my third one. We're going to try another option today.
Yeah, so for his first system, his hair was really shaved. The only option for us really to make something look great was to give him something that was really undercut. The other thing too is that we chose a lace system for Frank because in my mind, I was thinking, okay, you're an elevator mechanic, you're in dirt and dust all the time, you're sweating, there's probably spiders, I don't know.
Yeah.
But I thought that getting him on a system that he could maintain on his own at home would be the best for him because he could maintain it more frequently, but it's actually been more problematic because the dust and the dirt, regardless of it being tape or glue, settles through the inside of the lace. And so unfortunately, like even now you can look, we're getting ready to take his hair system off again. He has to wear his hair down because like the dust has settled into it.
Makes the lace more noticeable.
Makes it more noticeable, and it shouldn't be like that. So today what we're gonna do is do a poly system on him, which I'm really excited about. We're gonna use a liquid adhesive, and I'm gonna show you guys a few clips of that. I want to thank him for really always being here for me when
Thank you for changing my life.
And let's go.
It can be intimidating, like looking at your page, but you guys responded immediately and got us in here so quick.
Yeah, don't be intimidated to reach out. Sometimes I do answer, sometimes it takes a while, but why don't we show them? This is our salon that I work at here in New York City. We're right next to Macy's. And here we go. I hope you guys like it. Frank, today we did a poly system with 130% density and 100% in the back. Now, previously you've had the double lace system, which is the one I normally wear, that has 110% in the back and 100% in the front. So there's a lot more hair in the front. And but why don't you tell me the difference in the way that using adhesive using adhesive with the poly versus using tape with a lace feels?
A lot more comfortable, I'll say that. It feels much more natural, and
talk a little louder.
It feels way more natural, and just the comfort level is completely different. So I'm liking it so far.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes in the long run.
I started out wearing polys, and a lot of my other YouTube videos were me wearing skin systems. And I think that for me, I like to wear lace systems because it gives me the opportunity to change the tape more frequently. I change my hair a lot, and that's why I like it. But the really cool thing is, with the system that he's using, it has 5 layers of poly. If you use Hair Scheme, they're the best brand, the best hair. The base is an HH183. So a lot of times with poly, there's not enough layers to anchor the hair in. So poly has a really bad reputation for shedding hair, but this one doesn't. So I consider it one of the sports heavy duty editions, but it is almost like plastic leather with how strong it is.
I feel like it'll be good for me because I want to change, take my hair on and off as little as possible.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty excited.
How often? Okay, we're keeping it real. I did his hair. I do a lot of people's hair, and I have a lot of success with a lot of people. But you do work that I've never experienced before, and so what
I work around dirt and grime and grease all day long in the heat, and I went through a period of having to change the tape like 4 or 5 times a week and was losing my mind over it.
Yeah. So you guys have to know that sometimes if you don't have the perfect system, if you make a choice to try a different type of adhesive, it may not work for you. And this is our third. First we did long hair because we wanted, then we did short hair, and we did a treatment on it to make it feel softer, which made it feel softer. But then now third, we're trying a poly system on you, and I think the biggest thing for you is the constant dirt going into your hair. And I'm really excited to tell you, because I haven't told you this, it's my birthday. No, I'm just kidding. Because it's a poly system and it's not a mesh net, you don't have to worry so much about shampooing it and conditioning it and that loosening the system. So you can rinse your hair more frequently. Just don't spend a lot of time under the hot water, and when you shower, don't let the water hit the forehead. Yeah. I just do really quick rinses. I use Diva Curl Decadence shampoo and Nervel conditioner, and my systems last so long. I took some pictures. You can see them here. And I think that's it. I've actually couldn't have done this today without the team at Hairroin allowing me to use the salon while everybody was busy. We also had our favorite friend, Justin Gentry, who's a magician, helping us film. So if you guys like that, give him a follow. We're gonna close this out. I guess if you guys have any questions below, we'll try to respond to them. And do you want to give them your Instagram? He's straight, by the way, so don't all the gay guys message him. And he's got a girlfriend.
It's Frankie, FRANKIEMOTIV.
Yeah, on Instagram. I'm Phil Does Hair. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe. Click the bell if you want to know when the next video is. Hopefully it's pretty soon. We had a great time doing this, and it was actually pretty fun and easy, and this was great. So have a good day.
Bye, guys.